It's very exciting. Another piece of the big jigsaw puzzle has arrived. So we've got our toolboxes. So Mark's just got to fit them and do all these modifications to them.
Setting the stainless steel nut certs tighter because we can't get enough leverage on the small nut cert tool. This is one I've gleaned from YouTube. Make sure you got the nut that's bigger than the flange of the nut cert, and then just tighten her up a bit more and hopefully it will never move.
Mark's put some packers on there, pre-drilled the holes, and now we're going to fit the locker, or the toolbox as we call them. Just installing the next toolbox. This is the one that will have our recovery gear in, and also the bottom of it is our wastewater tank. Mark's just pre-drilling the holes. Well, the toolbox is on, but we've had a bit of an issue with the mudguard. We should have made the door a little bit smaller than the actual toolbox itself, because it's hitting on the mudguard. So cut down the mudguard and hopefully we'll be good. Mark's installed the checker plate. We'll fitted it in, and we haven't done the final install yet. We've got the Anderson plug for the solar, suitcase solar, and this will be for the water intake, and obviously around the door, since we've recessed it down inside. This is the battery box here, so Mark wants to be able to take that on and off, obviously, to access the batteries easier. And then we've got our big toolbox here that will put in the barbecue and whatnot. So we've still got a pull-out tray to sort out for that.